Okay, welcome back, guys. So this is going to be part 81 of our trading series. We have 42 open positions. Our account equity is at 80,500. So we had a bit of a drawdown since the last upload. I went actually on holiday, so I haven't been streaming. So I think the last upload was on the 14th. So it was about, yeah, I would say about 2 weeks ago. So since then, so let's look at our P&L curve. The last 180 days. You can see we had a bit of a drawdown in that period about a week ago. We drew down, we had a day where we lost 11,000. That was our biggest loss by far in one day. Still smaller than our biggest win, which was 18,000. But yeah, we had a bit of a drawdown those 2 days and then made some back. So we're still at 80,605. As you can see from where we started, we're still up about 8x our original account. So now we're just kind of in chill mode. So we're still up 30k in the last 30 days and 8k in the last 7 days. But I think in that period we had a bit of a drawdown, which is not too bad in the grand scheme of things, but it's a bit annoying because I wanted to reach 100,000 and we're still at about 80k. Nonetheless, the market has really not been easy. I know a lot of people, a lot of my friends have been struggling in the market despite ETH just outperforming everything. It hasn't been that easy to trade. And the current positions I have, so let me go to order history. Is it order history or position history? Yeah, I think it's order and trade history. Yeah, there we go. So I entered some AIOT. Actually, is it this? Yeah, I think it's this. Actually, it would be easier for me to just talk you through the positions. So the biggest position I have by far is Hype. We've got $11,000 of Hype. Let's have a look. Hype for Hyperliquid. So we're still holding on to this. We can bring up Hype on TradingView. All of these indicators you can access if you're trading on my referral link. The details are below in the description of the video. But all of these are automatically drawn. So all of this is automatically drawn for you. So Hyperliquid, this is area to watch for that key pivot high, for the monthly high. Otherwise, I think anything in this zone, and especially beneath the previous day's low, so beneath this area, is a buying opportunity for higher. So yeah, Hyperliquid, my biggest conviction bet that I have at the moment. In terms of our overall exposure, we have about 1.2x leverage, so pretty low leverage. Yeah, we have about 100k of total positions, but like 93k specifically. So pretty low risk. Reason being is I don't really see much conviction in any of my positions. So the second biggest hold I have is AIOT. So we have $11,000 in AIOT. Have a look at it. Right, so we had a nice bounce on this 200 EMA. So that looks good. I think what I want to see is things like this, market structure break above, but that's on the low time frame. In reality, yeah, I want to see this hold, this level here. This is where we had the hammer candle and deviation beneath the previous day's low as well. But nonetheless, it's a very strong coin. It's going with the trend really well. So that is the other coin I'm long, and then otherwise we have a bit of random shit in our portfolio, like SSD coin, Heidel, SPK, which hasn't been doing particularly well. We have Bera as well, which I'm actually kind of tempted to take profits on Bera. It's been suspiciously strong, Bearer, so probably some insider news, something like that. Yeah, probably should take a little bit off. Let's close 30%. Yeah, so that's kind of where we're at. Now let's look at the market. And actually, before we continue, for those of you who asked me, so if you want to see all of my like live trades in real time, you can access it through the Telegram bot. To do so, you need to trade on one of the referral links that I support. It's all of these links and the instructions are beneath each video, the description in each video. And you get all of my indicators, which you won't find on TradingView, and you get access to the trading group, and more importantly, to all of my positions for this account that I trade. So where I turned 10K into 80K at the moment. So if you're interested, follow the instructions, register, make some trades, and send me a message. Now, the market itself. So let's have a look. BTC, still uptrend, right? Still massive uptrend. This was the deviation, this liquidity indicator, right? That's why it's so useful. Highlighted as the deviation. We kind of want this level to hold now, right? This was the previous daily low as well. So ideally, yeah, we want to see this level hold. We can obviously as well, I wouldn't be shocked, to test the previous month's low, right? This level, which will coincide very nicely with the daily 200 EMA line right here, which is highlighted in green. Maybe I should change the highlight to like orange or something. Probably better. Highlighted in orange. So that's BTC. ETH clearly has been outperforming Bitcoin. If you just look at ETH BTC, definitely outperforming. Probably a decent place to actually long some ETH if you're still going with that sort of treasury narrative, right? 200 EMA has been a very good indicator of trend, right? In the last 2 months. So not the worst idea to be buying anything around these levels, right? Really not the worst idea. I want to edit this background border. Want a border. We can make the color. Actually, don't know what color do we want. Do purple. So I would say anything in this zone probably is a good buy for ETH. Okay, TradFi, let's see. So Nvidia, yeah, so I bought, when did I buy? Yeah, I bought this dip right here. Yeah, using the range indicator. So I literally bought around these levels. So that was good. And yeah, now we just had a swing failure SFP above the previous highs and retrace. SPX looks really strong, all-time highs. Gold looks really strong as well. It looks like it's trying, it's still ranging, right? It's still ranging, but ultimately we're hoping that it will break out of this formation. Like it's been in this formation for what, how long? Like 100, like half a year, right? So anyway, I'm gonna stop the video here. This is just a quick update to show you guys that I'm still alive, still doing my thing, and hopefully you guys are all okay and are trading well and not over trading, not over leveraging, and yeah, making easy trades, going with the trend. As you can see, what I do is pretty easy. I don't trade often at all, right? And it still makes money. So if you're interested to learn, sign up in the link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. And if you want, this is my Twitter as well. You can send me messages on there and communicate with me. I just posted this for BTC as well. Cool. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.